Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back. Happy Friday. All right. Again, I've said this in my other pre-records. I'm going to keep saying it. Jason and I flew back in from LAX this morning. It's been a crazy day. I feel like we're running on 3 or 4 hours of sleep, but I'm okay with that because YouTube doesn't stop for anyone. What I wanted to say was thank you for all of your love and support during this incredible, iconic week of just showing how much you guys show up and show out, building this incredible channel and all of the opportunities that are coming our way from it. I love you guys so much. And I can't thank you enough. Again, if you guys want to see Zach and I on our 3-city tour to kick off a much bigger project, which I've already said, so get ready for that because announcements are coming. You guys can catch us in New York, Nashville, or Los Angeles in April. Tickets are already flying off the the charts. I don't know. It's really kind of, I have a feeling they're going to be gone by the end of the week. We'll see. But all you have to do is go to spillingtealive.com. And of course, I'll attach that in the description of this video. But in the meantime, we're back to talk about Erika Girardi because we've heard about these $750,000 earrings, and apparently it's official. The judge has ordered Erika Jayne to turn over the $750,000 earrings to Tom's bankruptcy trustee after claims that the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star's jewelry was purchased with stolen money. Guys, we have all the details on that and more. But before we jump in, if you haven't already, go ahead, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because, well, you don't want to miss anything we have coming up. With that, let's jump right in.
It's time for all your binge-worthy pop culture news. Welcome to Up and Adam.
All right, guys, so it's no secret that we've been hearing about Erika Girardi's earrings, these earrings that everyone's talking about, the $750,000 pair of earrings. Now she's being forced to turn over the pair of earrings that her estranged husband, Tom Girardi, bought for her about a decade ago, which an interesting tidbit is the original earrings were allegedly stolen, and then these ones were bought with the insurance money. So this is the second set of $750,000 earrings from what we're hearing, let's just say allegedly, right? In court documents shared earlier this week, it has been confirmed that the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills cast member had 5 days to hand over the items to the trustee presiding over Tom Girardi's bankruptcy case, who will have them appraised and transfer them to a safety deposit box at a bank. Radar Online reports the judge presiding over the federal case issued his ruling on February 2nd. This is what it says. The stipulation confirms what Erika all along has said she would do, namely allow the earrings to be held in trust with a full reservation of rights between Erika and Girardi Keese, the bankruptcy trustee. Pending a final court decision and order, this is Erika's attorney, Evan C. Borges, said in a statement to Us Weekly on February 2nd, Erika has cooperated fully at all times, including a year ago when she disclosed and showed the earrings to a jeweler representative of the trustee in the Tom Girardi bankruptcy. According to the report, Tom Girardi is believed to have purchased the earrings for Erika in March of 2007 with money taken from his client trust account, claiming in financial documents that it was a case expense. This is never ending. Tom then said that the earrings were stolen before they were allegedly found in a safe. As his statement continued, Erika's attorney insisted that Erika had no knowledge about how Tom had paid for the earrings. Erika had nothing to do with and no knowledge of these actions of Tom Girardi and Girardi Keese, but she is being blamed for them. All Erika did was receive a gift of earrings from her then wealthy husband 15 years ago. By law, the Girardi Keese trustee stands in the shoes of Girardi Keese, and it's undisputed that Girardi Keese knew about the earrings purchased in 2007. Now, 15 years later, the statute of limitations bars any alleged claim that comes against Erika, who never did anything wrong. That's what they're going with. In his own statement to Us Weekly, attorney Ronald Richards, who was previously working alongside the trustee, encouraged Erika to hand over the earrings quickly. And guys, we've talked about Ronald Richards multiple times. We've had him on the show. He always comes in very informative. And if you don't follow him on Twitter, you should follow him at Ronald Richards because he's always posting the court documents along with his tweets. So it's nice because it's not just putting words out there. It's like, nope, here are the words. Here's the document, here are the facts, which, I mean, we all love some good facts, right? Okay. The evidence filed in court by the trustee shows a clear money trail to the purchase of these earrings. This is from Ronald Richards. Erika should return them immediately. They were purchased with estate funds. She will not be able to hide behind her attorney in her response. She will have to provide testimony under oath and be subject to a deposition if she persists. Prior to the recent court ruling, Erika's attorney confirmed in documents that she planned to give her jewelry to a third party until the trustee completed their investigation. Now, as Real Housewives of Beverly Hills fans may have heard, Garcelle Beauvais weighed in on the earring drama during a recent episode of The Real. This was this past week, saying that if she were Erika, she would give up the diamonds quickly. I mean, when she shows up for work, she is diamond out. She's got a lot. So getting rid of those diamond earrings is not going to hurt her. This makes me question, I have to be honest with you guys, with Garcelle going on The Real and saying stuff like this, is she allowed to say that? Because Bravo is pretty not controlling, but they like to be ahead of the narrative and make sure that the women are not saying too much that could interfere with the season. And this could interfere with the season because a lot of people might want to know from Garcelle and the 9 other women who are filming with Erika, what do you guys think about this? Do you think Erika should keep the earrings? Do you think she should give them up? And by Garcelle coming on The Real or going on The Real and saying, I think she should give them up, I'm wondering if that's kind of giving us a tidbit to something that we weren't supposed to know. I don't know. Okay. Well, it keeps going. Ronald Richards actually tweeted out, and this was 18 hours ago, here's the scheduling order with the key dates against Erika Girardi. Her suggestion last week was that she was off the hook and has no pending cases. Well, and she said that, well, he said that is belied by the issued scheduling order in the largest case against her for $25 million. Keep shopping Erika Girardi, hashtag Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, hashtag Girardi fraud. Okay, that wasn't the only one. 2 hours ago, update on Erika Girardi, earrings to be turned in by Monday, February 7th, COB. Last weekend of glam and flossing the bling. Updated case list attached. Obviously, there are plenty against her, and no, her attorney nor Erika Girardi will not abridge our First Amendment right, nor yours. You know, I find this interesting because for a while, we didn't hear a lot from Ronald Richards. And I think if you see our conversations together, he kept on saying, you know, we obviously want to get the answers. We want to get the victims paid, but you don't want to push too much because what if Erika eventually decides to file for bankruptcy or, you know, who knows? So you don't want to push too much, but you still want to get to the bottom of it. I'm curious how this is. I mean, I'm just curious how it's going to play out in court, how it's going to play out on the show. She's going to apparently have a new court date that will be January of 2023, but who knows if that's going to happen because with the lack of courtrooms due to the pandemic, things are getting moved around. We've seen that with Jen Shah's case that got moved from October to March because of lack of courtrooms. We don't know, but we will be waiting to find out. And when we do, we will be covering it all. Guys, I don't want to just give you my opinion and not hear yours. So go ahead and comment below. And before you go, don't forget to smash that like button. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. And don't forget to hit that notification bell because, well, you don't want to miss anything we have coming up. Also, if you haven't bought your tickets to come see Zach and I in New York, Nashville, or Los Angeles, make sure you go to spillingtealive.com, grab your tickets while you still can, and come play with us. We're going to have a great time. It's not just going to be us. It's going to be some of your favorite content creators, collaborators, comedians, Bravo celebrities. Jason will be there. Well, we'll be dropping tidbits throughout the weeks leading up to it, but just go buy your tickets. I love you guys, and we'll see you so very soon. Bye, guys.